Welcome to Goochs Power Sports, Hendersonville, Tennessee. We specialize in pre-owned motorcycles and ATVs, pretty much all kinds, all price ranges. We carry in stock, fully custom motorcycles built by allthingschrome.net. They specialize in fat tire kits, chrome accessories, custom paint, custom lighting kits, a little bit of everything. We have bikes. They're completely stock. There goes one of our bikes down the road we've sold. Another satisfied customer. Hayabusas, fat tire R1s, stock Busas, ZX14s, just a little bit of everything. We also sell pre-owned ATVs, sport quads, utility quads. Do some Harleys, cruisers, just side-by-sides. Currently have Yamaha Rhino. Two more of our customers on custom motorcycles. So for your next pre-owned motorcycle or ATV, come visit us in Middle Tennessee, just north of Nashville, at GoochsPowersports.com.